Cryptocurrency has emerged a transformative project in the world of technology by revolutionizing the way we think about the digital transactions and data security. At the forefront of this revolution stands Fifthscape, a pioneering project that is seamlessly integrating cryptocurrency into its cutting-edge virtual reality and augmented reality ecosystem. Let's deep dive into the impact of cryptocurrency on the tech industry and explore how Fifthscape is harnessing the power of blockchain technology to drive innovation. Cryptocurrency is a digital money that works without banks, and it uses blockchain, which is a secure network that records and checks every transaction. And this techie setup gives it super benefits like strong security, clear transaction, and easy access for everyone worldwide. Cryptocurrency cuts out the middleman like bank, which saves money and makes things faster, and also it's a super safe because blockchain stops fraud and hacking, and people without traditional bank accounts can use it. Moving ahead, the cryptocurrency is driving innovations across various tech sectors, enabling new solutions and business models. That too, from secure data storage to decentralized applications, the integration of blockchain technology is transforming the way we interact with the digital system. And the Fifthscape has taken this concept to new heights by incorporating cryptocurrency into its VR AR ecosystem and by creating a native token, Fifthscape Coin. And the project aims to revolutionize the way users engage with the virtual environments, opening up new possibilities for transactions, content access, and user experiences. The Fifthscape Coin functions as the primary currency within its project's ecosystem. It empowers users to engage in a variety of transactions such as buying virtual goods, accessing premium content, and participating in exclusive events. By implementing a native cryptocurrency, Fifthscape not only enriches the user's journey but also cultivates a dynamic in-game economy. This innovative approach not only enhances the user experience but also lays the groundwork for a vibrant virtual economy where digital assets and experiences are seamlessly integrated with blockchain technology. The integration of cryptocurrency within Fifthscape VR AR ecosystem offers numerous benefits for users. Transactions are processed quickly and securely with lower fees compared to traditional payment methods, and decentralized nature of blockchain ensures the user data remains safe and tamper-proof. However, the adoption of cryptocurrency also represents challenges such as the regulatory consideration and volatility. But Fifthscape addresses these challenges by prioritizing compliances and working closely with industry experts to ensure a stable and a secure cryptocurrency experience for its users. So as cryptocurrency continues to evolve and gain mainstream adoption, its impact on the tech industry will only grow stronger, and the experts predicting that the integration of blockchain technology will become increasingly prevalent across various sectors from finance to healthcare and beyond. The impact of cryptocurrency on the tech industry is undeniable, and projects like Fifthscapes are at the forefront of this revolution. By integrating cryptocurrency into its VR AR ecosystem, Fifthscape is paving the way for a new era of digital experiences where virtual and augmented reality are enhanced by the power of blockchain technology. And as we look to the future, it's clear that cryptocurrency will continue to shape the direction of technological innovations, and projects like Fifthscape will play a crucial role in defining the path forward. And to know more about the Fifthscape, you can also visit the Fifthscape website.